Is the power of Photoshop being tested by an AI tool? Well, I have found out that Google has released a new AI tool that is making waves in the photo editing world. And today I'm going to test it out and see how it does. Without further ado, let's get started. This is Jay Techie. Today I'm going to be working with a tool called Nano Banana, and that is a tool recently Google came out with, and it is the technology, the AI technology that Google has that generates images, and it can generate an image from a prompt or an image from images that you upload to it. And this kind of technology has been around for a little bit, but the difference is now this is new and improved, and I hear that it is improved in image quality and image editing quality to rival programs like Photoshop. So now I'm going to test it out, and let's see how it does during my test session. So I'm going to describe what I'm going to do. So one way you can get to Nano Banana is through the nanobanana.ai, or I hear you can also access it through Gemini. But right now I am logged in to Nano Banana, and I'm going to go ahead and upload some images to it, and I want it to edit these images in a certain way. And so the images I have here today, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys here just very quickly. And so here I have a man here, and I have some flowers, some sunglasses, and a banana. And what I'm gonna have this program do is, first of all, I want it to edit this image such that the man is looking directly at the camera instead of a side profile of the man. And in addition to that, I'm going to want it to replace his glasses with sunglasses that look like these. And behind him, I want this vase of flowers on a stand behind him. And in addition to all of that, I want him to be holding this banana. And let's see how good this thing does. So what I'm going to do is, after I logged into Nano Banana, it gives me a prompt input. So I have a tab, image edit, or text to image. So I'm going to do image edit, and I'm going to go ahead and upload those images that I've just showed you guys to Nano Banana here. Oh, so let me try that again, to Nano Banana there. And so it's uploading each of these images. Now I'm going to construct the prompt that I described earlier, and it'll take me a few moments. I'll be right back once I have crafted that prompt. Alright, so I have crafted the prompt, and so what I'm saying is, take the man in the uploaded image and make him facing directly towards the camera. Replace his current glasses with the sunglasses looking like the ones in the uploaded image. And have the flowers, I wanted to say, flowers and vase from the uploaded image on a nightstand behind the man. Have the man also holding a banana like the one in the uploaded image. Alright, let's see what it does when I hit generate now. Alright, so it is generating and it says lightning fast generation in progress. And it looks like it's gonna take about 40 something seconds. And I'll go ahead and pause it just for a little while and come back when it is done. Alright, so the generation is complete. And I would like to say the mission is also complete. And it has done exactly what I wanted it to do, almost down to the T. I don't really see anything that I am displeased with, and it was able to regenerate this image of the man looking straight at the camera, and with his two different hair colors of his beard and his hair, and also the actual vase on the nightstand behind him, with him holding the banana, with the replaced glasses, with the sunglasses, which it looks very excellent, and with a nice clean background. Actually kept the same looking background as this picture here, and it kind of just edited all together to make this image. And alright, and it looks like a pretty good image. The only thing is, I mean, I'm not sure if, well, some people will probably still consider it to look more like a painting, but I mean, it's still an upgrade from what it was doing before. I'm sure certain models would have really messed this up, but this is showing me hope that these tools are improving and can listen to what instructions you have for it, and you can make creative things. And you could also use this to probably change your clothes and see what you look like in different clothes, see what you look like in different sunglasses, and everything. Alright, well, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you guys liked this video. Go ahead and try Nano Banana for yourself and see what you can come up with. And actually, if you tested, I would like to know in the comments what kind of photos you have generated. Alright, well, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and again, this is Jay Techie. Until next time, peace.